Now we'll discuss the earnings option, right, in your partner HQ. And this is where you see your current balance or whatever you have earned throughout the month. At the moment, obviously, it's 0 because I'm not actively using this account. So this just gives you an overview of your earnings, and this will be your total earnings, right, from your video monetization and from your website monetization. You will be paid once your balance reaches $100. So that's the threshold Dailymotion uses. $100, right? Once it reaches $100, that's when you get paid. Last payout and total payout. So this is whatever you get paid last or the latest, right? That's your latest payout, and the total payout keeps adding. Learn more about how payments work at Learn More About Earnings page. So there's a bit of information that you can get from clicking on this link, right? Another page opens and you can read and get some information from there. Past invoices, so once they start making payments to you, you'll see the invoice number, date issued, and the amount. It says in USD and the status, right? Now let's have a look at this option here so we can learn more, right? I've already clicked on it. So this is the page that comes up. Monetize your content. Earn revenue from video monetization, which we have already learned how to do, and we have actually monetized our video part of the channel so far. Earn revenue from video monetization. So I'll go through this. Once you have enabled monetization, which we have already done, right, by becoming a partner, and when we uploaded our video, we checked by default it was monetized. You will automatically start earning revenue from your uploaded videos. On Dailymotion, many videos are served with in-stream advertisements, ads that appear before, during, or after videos. Enabling video monetization allows you to share in the revenue these advertisements generate when served on your videos. The more views your videos get, the more revenue you earn. So make sure to share your videos, right? Now that's a very good tip. You need to share your videos. You share on Facebook, share on Twitter, whatever social media platforms you're using. If you're using emails, send it to people, share it. Ask them to share it, right? Make sure towards the end of a video or start of the video, you have prompts or annotations where you say share the video so that it gets shared a lot, right? And you can make even more by embedding your videos on your own websites, right? That's what we discussed in the earlier lecture. You can monetize your website as well. If you own a website, you can use the Dailymotion display widget to display videos and earn money. To do this, you'll need to verify your domain. So as we discussed earlier, you need to input your website and verify. Just click on verify and have it verified. To get paid, make sure to add your banking information, which we'll learn after this. Earned revenue will automatically be transferred to your PayPal account or bank account every month when your balance exceeds $100. Also, you can always track your revenue in your analytics and view your payments, right, that we discussed earlier. So those are some of the things to keep in mind. You've got video monetization, you've got website monetization. $100 is the threshold, so you need to have $100 minimum for Dailymotion to pay you, right? Now let's go back and set the payment method. So this is where we actually inform Dailymotion of how we'd like to get paid and what our personal details are for the payment, right? So once you click that, you'll see it says payout methods. Add a payout method so you can receive revenue payments. So at the moment, even though we have set up video monetization and website monetization and we may be earning money, at the moment Dailymotion doesn't know how to pay us, right? So even if we reach our threshold, they wouldn't know how to pay us. So make sure you go through this step and add your payout details. So it's dependent on your situation, whether you're a company or an individual. You need to select that. All these fields are mandatory, so you will not be able to save or proceed unless you enter all this mandatory information. So at the moment it's blank. You'll need to populate that and choose payout method, right? So there's 3 options available here. One is bank transfer, takes up to 3 business days, there's no fees. Second is PayPal, processing time is 2 days, and there may be PayPal fees that will apply to the payment made out to you. And the third option is prepaid card powered by Pioneer. Within 2 hours of activation, they can process it and the ATM fees may apply. And if you select this, by checking this box, you certify that you have read and agree to the Dailymotion self-billing contract. Now, you're not paying for anything, you're just letting Dailymotion know that this is how you'd like to get paid, right? But if you do want to read the contract, please click on this option here and go through it, read it thoroughly so you understand what will happen from here onwards. But you're not paying any fees or you're not buying anything. You are simply letting Dailymotion know that this is how you'd like to get paid out and these are your personal details, right? I personally use PayPal. I find that to be the most secure and easiest to use, right? But you're welcome to try the other 2 options and see how you go. So that pretty much sums up the payout methods, right? Once you have filled out everything here, if you select next, that will take you to the page where you need to enter your bank account details or PayPal email address, right? So because I chose PayPal, it's asking for my PayPal email address, right? So that's what I'll enter here and click on save to confirm my payout method. If I had selected bank transfer, then it would ask me to enter my bank account details, right? So that would include my BSB number, my account name, and then I would click on save. So that's how you set up your payment method. Very simple, very easy.